Right, so what I'm going to do today is a bit of paint, bend the brakes, and fit with what's in there a power switch, so I can turn it on and off from the handlebars. But yeah, so for now, take this all apart, let's throw some paint on it. Right, so the wheels are fit, masked up, what I don't want to paint. Now for some beautiful grey primer. Here we go, what can possibly go wrong? I miss, that's what can go wrong. See, beautiful. It's like I bought one. Perfect. See, like the style. While that lovely bit of painting's been drying, I'm going to be making a power cable. So this is the power leader I bought off eBay. It's for motorbike lights. And instead of using it for lights, I'm going to use it for the main power. So let's see, will this blow up because of the amount of current I'm going to put through it? One way to find out. The contacts in here are a bit crap because they're, you see them there, just a metal slide that goes over two contact pins. So I don't hold up much hope for this. Can you see it? Probably can't see it from here. But yeah, anyway, oh, look what I'm sitting on. That's my chair. Right, I desperately need to tidy in here because I mean it's been winter, so you know I haven't been in here for a little while. But yeah, I mean, I'm disgusted at myself. Anyway, wire, XT60 connectors, switch. I'm going to do some wiring. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ping! Right, so soldering's done. That's quick, wasn't it? That's what we have here. We have the power switch, obviously. But what we have here is, let me think how I did this. This is the battery side. The battery plugs in here, goes through the switch, which is here, to the bike. And then I've got another tap off here, which runs down to another plug, so I can plug in some auxiliary stuff. And an indicator lamp to show there's power. So we can have a, why don't focus? Focus. Focus. Oh dear. Anyway, using the blurry vision, you can see power indicator to show the bike is on, and another plug here, which I'm going to eventually have a, where did I put it? Again, need to tidy this. Oh, it's there. One of these. So I'm going to have a 5 volt. Why is it out of focus? Can I change the focus? What's that do? What's that do? I'm just randomly tapping stuff now. Oh, I can zoom, but can't focus. That's stupid, isn't it? Why is it doing that? Okay, go back. There you go. From that distance, you can see I was going to have this, which is going to turn the 24 volts to 5 volts, so that I'm going to have a 5 volt supply for lights and stuff on the bike. But that's for future projects. So for now, that connector will just be an indicator light and just be floating around, shorting out and causing sparks inside the battery, which would be quite cool. Yeah, so just got to fit that. Now the battery is Now the bike is painted. I can stick it all back together again and stick this on it. Quality. Right, I think we are finished. So we now have front brakes that actually work. So look, and they're parallel-ish. I mean, yeah, okay, they're not quite parallel. And we have a switch that turns it on and off up here. When we turn it off, we have an indicator light. Oh, it's doing this weird focusing thing again, isn't it? There you go, we have an indicator light, which you can sort of see is on. Turn it off, it goes out very slowly. Back on again. Ding! There you go. And we have another plug for future expansion. But yeah, that is it. It is done. Oh man, this camera, what's going on? It focuses, it just seems to fix its focal length when you start recording. Oh well, right, I'll fix it in a minute. Anyway, for now, I'll leave it there. So I'll see you later. Bye for now.